to dance your precious daughter. And of course, together with this dance, may sinulat na munting mensahe na si Hannah para kay Daddy. Dear Papa, I just want you to know how much I truly appreciate you and everything you do for us. Thank you so much for being the father I could ever ask for. You have always been my strength, my guide, my man. You work so hard not just to provide for our family, but to make sure I feel supported, protected, and understood. Pa, di man ako nag-open sa'yo sa lahat ng bagay. Sana alam mo na mahal kita. No words will ever be enough to express how thankful I am to have you as my father. And I will always carry your love and guidance with me whenever life takes me. Mahal ko kayo ni Mama, and I hope you to know that I'm still learning how to balance being a good child while also growing into my own person. I wish we could have more moments together, more venturing about school, about the little things that make me nervous or proud, and more chances to share my thoughts with you without feeling like I might bother you. I want to love with you more, to share my worries and dreams with you, and to feel that warm reassurance na kahit anong mangyari, nandyan ka lagi sa tabi ko. Kahit minsan may tampo ako or hindi ako nag-open, deep inside, you're the person I trust the most. I don't say it often enough, but today I want to say with all my heart, thank you for being my father. Salamat dahil ikaw ang naging papa ko.